Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the surface and cutting your first panels. Remove trim and repair imperfections so adhesive bonds. Make sure the wall is clean and dry. Measure the wall height and add 5 cm for overlap at the top and bottom. Mark panels with top and left edges to maintain pattern. Once cut, lay panels face down on a clean table and apply adhesive evenly per manufacturer instructions. This setup saves time and prevents misalignment when you hang the first strip. You'll now hang the panels, starting from a plumb line so everything stays straight. Position the first panel along that line and press at the top. Use a soft brush or seam roller to smooth from center outward to avoid bubbles. Match pattern on subsequent panels, overlapping seams by 1-2 mm and trimming excess with a sharp blade. Make sure to double-check vertical alignment after each panel. If a panel shifts, peel back gently and reposition immediately to keep pattern continuity and adhesive performance intact. You finish by trimming edges, reinstalling trim, and sealing vulnerable spots. Carefully cut around outlets and switches, then reattach cover plates. Use edge adhesive on corners and seams to lock panels down. Wipe excess immediately to avoid staining. Once done, inspect for bubbles or lifting. If small bubbles persist, pierce with a sharp needle and press adhesive outward, then smooth with a roller. If a large section won't adhere, remove it and reapply adhesive to both wall and paper. Then reposition for a permanent fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.